In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable USB accessories on the lock screen. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Settings and there scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. There enter your passcode and now scroll down until you find USB accessories. By default this feature is off, and now you have to unlock your iPhone to allow USB accessories to connect when it has been more than an hour since your iPhone was locked. So you can enable this option. And now USB accessories will keep connecting when your iPhone has been locked for more than an hour. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.